Has this ever happened to you? You're a hardworking dental student just trying to do the best for your patient when they arrive to their appointment with their child and a stack of articles from the internet in hand, saying, "I've been reading that fluoride is bad for my child and I. It's a chemical. I want you to stop using it in your treatments." On the one hand, you don't want to dismiss your patient's claim. On the other hand, you don't want to stop a potentially helpful treatment. You don't know what to do. How do you find sufficient evidence that fluoride is indeed a viable treatment tool for dental caries? Based on the PICO method outlined in this slide, we formulate a clinical question. In this case, our clinical question would be, what is the effect of the use of fluoride on the incidence of dental caries lesions in the general population? The short answer is a more reliable source than Google. The long answer is that it's a useful biomedical database.
Now that we have our focused clinical question, let's try to find the answer. First, we'll need to go to the University at Buffalo Health Sciences Library webpage. If you're a student at the University of Buffalo, you will have access to the scientific research papers on several different biomedical databases, including PubMed. To be able to access the articles, first you need to access the PubMed page by going to the Health Sciences Library website using the URL on the following slide. Now that we're on PubMed, let's try searching for a topic. Being responsible dental students, we want to make sure that there is evidence that the fluoride that we keep telling patients to use is actually beneficial to their oral health. You can see that we typed in the keyword fluoride into the search bar at the top of the screen.
Here's our first results page, a great place to start. There's only one problem with it. It looks a little broad. Let's try narrowing it down a little bit. For example, we can control what kinds of studies we see in our results page. In this slide, we've assessed different potential article types by clicking on the Customize link. Clicking this brings up a menu where one can select one or more of the featured article categories. This includes categories such as clinical trial or systematic review. Check Systematic Review and click the Show button.
Now we have filtered our results to show only systematic reviews. This search can be narrowed even further by adding additional search terms. We want to know if fluoride prevents dental caries because we care about dental caries. So adding caries to the search bar will narrow the search considerably to include articles about fluoride as it relates to dental caries specifically. We could also add additional search terms to narrow our search a bit. In this case, we've added drinking water to fluoride and dental caries.
So once we've narrowed down our search, we see an article that we like titled Fluoride and Oral Health. Here is the article on fluoride and oral health. However, we can see that this page only gives us an abstract. So we want to click on the link at the top right corner of the page labeled Full Text Links. This will allow us to obtain the full text of the article. And here we are. But in this case, we can see that the full text article isn't available. Don't despair though, because as a UB student, we have the ability to request a full text copy by using the following link that says please delivery and request.